Um, is your PC running slow and up, freezing, lagging, or taking forever to load programs? Before you think about upgrading or buying a new computer, there are actually several easy fixes you can try right now. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to speed up almost any slow PC using simple settings anyone can follow. Let's get into it. First things first, restart your PC. Yeah, seriously, a proper restart clears temporary files and resets background processes that build up over time. One of the biggest causes of a slow PC is too many startup apps launching automatically. Open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, and disable programs you don't need immediately when the PC turns on. When your storage drive is nearly full, performance drops. Sometimes a lot. Open storage settings and delete temporary files, old downloads, or apps you no longer use. Some programs keep running quietly in the background and use up your memory and processor power. Sort by usage and close apps you recognize but aren't actively using. Keeping your system updated is more important than most people think. Updates often include performance improvements and stability fixes. Install available updates, especially system and graphics driver updates. If your PC suddenly became slow, malware could be the reason. Run a quick or full scan using your built-in antivirus to remove unwanted programs. Here's a small tweak that can make a surprisingly big difference: reducing visual effects. Select Adjust for best performance. Apply the changes, and your system will use fewer resources. If your PC is still slow after all this, the biggest upgrade you can make is switching to an SSD or adding more RAM. Even older computers feel dramatically faster after these upgrades. And that's how you speed up almost any slow PC in 2026. No advanced tech skills needed. Try these steps one by one, and you should notice faster startup, smoother performance, and fewer slowdowns. If this helped, stick around for more simple tech guides. Yeah, see you next time.